What is going on, guys? Mimic Trades here, back with another stock trading video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to make huge profits from small changes in a stock's price. So today I decided to day trade options on Owl. We're going to look at my trading view chart real quick just so you guys have a longer time frame. So Owl actually did make a very nice run up from about $10 to about $17.30 at the high here, and then since has been dropping. I drew this Fibonacci retracement level, and then this morning I was looking at it, and you can see this morning it started dropping, came below this very key resistance level, the 0.236 red resistance Fibonacci retracement. And so it came down below and it started getting some very nice buy volume. Also, you can see on the MACD, the negative momentum was weaning off here. And then it actually came down and retested this low. And at that point, that's when I really started looking to get in. And when it started coming back up and looking like it was going to bounce above this red Fibonacci retracement, I actually bought in. Right about here at around $13.40. So I bought $12.50 calls that expired this week. I bought it for $1.05. And you can see that after I bought it, it actually had a very nice little run up here. It went from about $13.40 to about $14.09. So this is only a 5% change in terms of the underlying stock. Stock only went up 5% from where I bought it. But because I was buying options, I was actually able to make 43% profit in the matter of about 20 minutes. So we are looking at the 1 minute candles here on my Webull chart. So I bought it right around here-ish, one of these candles. I'm not exactly sure which one. But so I bought them for $1.05. And then when it was running up here, I was watching this chart and I saw that it made this high, came down, retested this level, and then when it came up and was trying to retest this high, it actually couldn't break out, and at the same time our positive momentum was actually weaning off really hard here. And so we were about to start going into some negative momentum, and so I actually got out. I think it was on this green candle. I got out when the stock was about $14, maybe $14.3, $14.2, something like that. And so I got out with a 43% profit. Now, I actually ended up holding just one of the calls that I owned just to see, if it was a good idea for me to sell here or if it would have gone up for the rest of the day. So you can see in this 20-minute period, I was able to make 43% profit, right? Well, I ended up holding that call till just about the end of the day. And you guys can see what would have happened if I had actually held all of my calls till the end of the day. It actually ended up dropping to new lows down here at $13. And I sold my last call somewhere in this level with a 23% loss, right? So this is why it is so important that you get in and out very quick if you are day trading options, because in the matter of 20 minutes here, I was able to make 43% profit, but also in the next 10 to 15 minutes, had I held, even if I had sold down here, let's say, that is about 0% profit. It's going back to about 5 cents above where I bought it. So you might get a couple percent in profit. But this is why it is so crucial to get in and out very quick when you are day trading options, because it can have these insane moves, right? An insane move upward that allows you to make very large profits very fast, but also that can change very, very quickly, and you can end up selling at a loss or with very, very small profits. And so one of the things that I do need to put a disclaimer for is if you are not well versed in options, if you have not been trading options for months, do not try to day trade options. It will go very poorly. You will probably end up losing a lot of money very, very quickly. I just would not recommend it whatsoever. I would get very well experienced and well versed in options before you try this. But what are the key takeaways from this trade, right? If we look at this owl chart, right, it was doing this same pattern a couple of times. But the major point here is that when I drew this Fibonacci retracement, all of these levels weren't as strong as this red level, right? I knew that when it dropped below this red level, I would have a beautiful trade setup where I could, if it was going to rebound, which based on it having a lot of buy volume and some positive momentum coming in here, I knew that it was going to go up. I knew that this trade setup was what I was waiting for. So key takeaway number one is to not FOMO in. Do not go on Wall Street Bets and just FOMO into meme stocks, day trading options. You will lose all of your money very, very quickly. If you are going to day trade options, don't look for mediocre setups. Wait for the perfect setups, right? You don't need to make 5 trades a day and, you know, lose on half of them and make money on the other half. You need to wait for perfect setups so that you can make large amount percents on very quick trades, right? And so that's what I did here. I was able to make 43% in about 20 minutes. And so that comes to the key takeaway number 2. Get in and out very, very quickly, right? So this difference right here from $13.40 to about $14.09 is only a 5% difference in the stock, right? But I was able to make 43% very, very quickly, right? And so that's why I got out, because I knew that, you know, if it dropped down a little bit, if I let it drop to here, I'd lose all my gains, right? Now, if I hold that even longer and let it go all the way down here, I'm now selling at a loss. And you can see that this difference is not very big. The difference from $13 to $13.40, that's a very, very small difference in terms of the underlying stock price, right? Even this difference from $13.40 to $14.09, it's only a 5% difference. But with options, you can make money very fast and you can also lose it very fast. And so that's why I want to remind you to get in and out quick, very fast, and to sell at key resistance levels. So we're actually going to go into why I sold this here. So you can see I bought around here, and then I actually ended up selling on this, one of these 2 candles. I'm not sure exactly which one. But what I was looking for is I see this positive momentum coming in on the MACD, right? And I see it come up, make new highs, and then retest my 200 EMA here, right? And then it comes back up, and it's trying to make these new highs again, but it gets rejected. And at the same time, the MACD's positive momentum is weaning off, and we're about to start entering some negative momentum, right? And so due to those 2 factors where, you know, we're coming up, trying to make new highs, getting rejected, and at the same time, our momentum is weaning off very strongly, those 2 factors showed me that that was the time to sell. I needed to take profits there and, you know, lock in those gains to ensure that I wasn't going to go back to having 0% profit down here, right? And so basically when you're day trading options, you just need to be very, very disciplined. You know, don't have the hope of, oh, it'll just break through the roof, you know, it'll keep going. No, be very, very disciplined. When you are happy with your profits, take them, right? And so that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe if you do. I will be releasing a lot more videos with cryptocurrency, with stock trading, day trading, options trading, all of it. I'm very, very well versed in options and trading. I've been into the cryptocurrency market since 2016. I've been into stocks basically my whole life. My dad is actually a stockbroker, or was a stockbroker, for 25 years. So I was buying my first stocks when I was 10 years old. But I opened an account the second I was 18, and I immediately started trading. So I have about 6 years of experience under my belt, and I have a lot to teach you guys, right? So if you do want to learn more about how to day trade options, how to day trade, how to even do long-term options, I do that as well. Definitely drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.